Some people draw out the Maverick this evening to come and defend my team Liverpool and my coach Jurgen Klopp. Let me say this. Over the past 3 seasons, between 2018 and 2020, there has been no better coach, arguably no better team in world football than Jurgen Klopp and Liverpool. Now, a number of interrelated things are happening while the team is currently struggling, namely injuries and exhaustion. It is never easy physically or mentally for the same group of players to execute high-intensity, heavy metal football at this level for 3 going 4 seasons. Minds and legs will go. More fundamentally though, I think Liverpool have become the victims of our recent success. We have become both respected and feared by all opponents, who often sit deep and defend in double blocks. So our passing, pressing, and movement game has become predictable and somewhat stale. So we're struggling to break down teams. That is why we drop points to small teams like West Brom and Fulham and Brighton, Newcastle and Manchester United. Seriously though, what I blame Klopp for is to come into this season without seeing the urgent need for more creative and dynamic options in midfield. Even without the injuries, we would still be facing these creativity challenges. Having said all that though, with all our challenges, let me tell you this. Listen. You're not turning up. Remember we tell the Caesar,